Who is Sri Vaishnava? Our Vedas describes Agnir Devanam Avamo Vishnu Paramaha. A person who strongly believes Sri Mahavishnu is one and only the Supreme God is called Sri Vaishnava. Ramayana says, Jagat Sarvam Sharirante. A Vaishnava feels that the entire universe is the divine form of Sriman Narayana. We all know a great song, Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiyage Pid Parayi Janere, which means a person who does not harms anyone is the real Vaishnava. Our Bhagavata describes Chidyante Sarva Samshayaha. A person who clears all our doubts and makes us stress-free and helps others like a big tree is called real Vaishnava.